Hey everybody, it's your girl Bomb Nia and welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing a hair review on this wig that Unice sent me. Shout out to Unice for this hair. Now this hair is a TPart human hair lace wig, which you will still get lace from ear to ear on the edges and in the middle of the parting space, which makes a T shape on the wig, but not enough lace at the back for free parting, meaning you can only wear a middle part. This wig came with 3 combs and a little strap under the wig so it can fit your head nice and snug without glue. All the details in the link on this wig will be in my description box down below. Now let's just get into this install. Now I didn't add bleach or tint my lace. What I did was just add my foundation and my face powder so the lace can look like my skin color. I'm with 100 max. Oh, this is custom-made. Donatella sent me that. Feel up, baby, feel on me. Pull up if you're feeling lonely. Feel up, baby, feel on me. Pull up if you're feeling lonely. So right now I'm just using my Got To Be glue spray so I can brush away the flyaways so that no hair could be in my way while I'm trying to glue this thing down. Now I absolutely love this method of just like cutting little parts and laying down certain parts of my hair. It actually made installing easier and actually quicker if you ask me. Like, I'm glad that, you know, past videos had put me on videos that I used to watch of girls installing their hair, because this has been a lifesaver. Yeah, crazy. Bite me, that excite me. He said it's my. If you eating it, do it precisely, cause I'm a millionaire. Crazy. Feel up, baby, feel on me. Pull up if you're feeling lonely. Feel up, baby, feel on me. Pull up if you're feeling lonely. Now I'm just cutting off the lace, and ladies, be careful with this little razor. I almost cut myself. Like, I really did. It's so sharp, but yeah, just be careful, y'all. What I'm doing right now is basically self-explanatory. Like, I'm just forming my baby hairs. I'm plucking just a little bit. There's not that much plucking space, so I'm just plucking where I can. This part is optional. You can also not do baby hairs, but I kind of wanted to be dramatic today with the baby hairs. So yeah, this is pretty much explanatory. I'm gonna just be quiet for the rest of this video, because you know, y'all can see me work and y'all can jam out. I know I said I was gonna be quiet, but I lied just a little bit. I just wanted to show you guys how well this hair flat irons. Like, it's such a big difference. Like, this is a Bodywave wig, and look how well it flat irons. Like, it looks so beautiful. So I just cut a couple of layers into it. I didn't really want to wear my hair curl, but I wanted you guys to see how well the hair curls. And I don't like curly hair because I think it make my face look funny. But I'm doing this all for y'all. But best believe I'm not wearing my hair curled. This is a 13 by 5 TPart lace front wig, and it was $111. I'm 5'3" and this is 22 inches, so this is the length on me. This is how far it goes. This is how it looks in the back. The hair is soft. I love this color on me. It was easy to flat iron. It was easy to curl. I showed y'all I curled it with my flat iron, but I really didn't like what I was doing. I'm still learning how to curl my hair and stuff, and I really just don't be having the patience to flat iron and do all this stuff. I actually like the wig. It was easy to install. It literally only took me like 40 minutes to install this wig. Make sure you guys get some anti-frizz serum because you don't want the hair to get really dry. Because it was bleached, this hair can get dry. So it don't have to be this brand, even though this is the one that I use. You can use any frizzing oil because it will get dry, especially if you flat iron. I always have my flat irons, my curling irons, and my straightening comb on high, and that can, I don't care whether it's a wig or your real hair, that can burn your hair. So make sure you guys get some anti-frizz serum. But I like this wig. This is perfect for the summer, a nice summer color. I like the length. I like the density. I did minimum plucking, just a tad bit, and it was mostly my baby hairs. You don't have to do crazy baby hairs. I like my baby hairs to look like this, so with this wig you don't really have to do that. You don't get that much plucking space, so that's why I didn't really pluck, because then you'll be able to see the wefts in the wig, and we don't want that. You guys, let me know what you think about this wig. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe if you want to see more hair videos, more makeup videos, more videos of me. And most importantly, stay bomb.